Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So we got all our posts driven up where I think they need to be, and yesterday afternoon I got my spinning tinny put together. We got the wire mounted in it, and then it blew up a thunderstorm and we got a nice little shower of rain, and boy did we ever need it. And it wouldn't hurt my feelings if it rained again this afternoon. So what I'm fixing to do is start putting my insulators on my post and pulling off some wire, and start putting up my electric fence so I can get these cows in here to eat, so they have a little more to eat. And that's what we're doing this afternoon. It's a little cooler today. It's a little cooler this afternoon. It's a little overcast here and there, but so there is my wire, and we're gonna go down this long run right here first, and see if we can't get a little fence up. And I got some new insulators I want to try. They're called LockJawz. I don't know how well they'll work. They got to be better than them yellow ones. But we bought 2 bags of them. We're gonna try them and see how they work. And if I like them, I'm gonna probably get some more of them. That's pretty easy. See how hard they are to get off. I may like those if they stay on pretty easy. Them yellow ones I got, in 6 months, they'll be so brittle. The least little thing that touches them, they'll just break. So we're gonna give these a try. All you do, the only thing I'm worried about is that they'll snatch off real easy if something runs into it. But they got to be better than them yellow ones that rot every 6 months. Abigail must have drove that one. Damn, it's hot.
Y'all didn't drive these in as deep as the other.
tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now and don't look back. But hey, don't you wanna play? Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street with Mary Jane, good cocaine, plenty down there to eat. You can double down, throw some dice, you can take off now, don't think twice. But hey, don't you wanna play? Baby, come on. Tell me where you wanna go. But baby, I don't work down there anymore. No, I don't. Getting late. Come on now, mama, don't you hesitate. Grab my hand, where we land. I got the champagne. We can knock it back, get on track, jump on and ride this thing. Double down, roll the dice, take off now.